So, something I wanted to talk about is to make sure you guys are aware we're donating this to charity. It was an original PonyCon plushie, and I hope it goes for community, but we'll see.
Hi everybody! Welcome to the show! Great! Oh, you can do better than that. Come on, put those hoops together! This is... I hope you're all ready for a magically fun, funky, Hearthwarming Club Convention. Yay! So, welcome to my Christmas or Hearthwarming. I'm going to be using those words interchangeably because I can. Plushie Puppet Show. How many of you were there for DAFCon 2023 when at the last puppet show? Yay! This one will be a bunch of smaller Christmas stories or heartwarming stories, and there will be a little break between each of them because putting on a show all by myself is hard. So just bear with us for a moment. If you're recording, feel free to pause during those, and we'll try to be clear when the next one is starting. And also, on that note, recording is encouraged. Because I don't have a camera to set up to record my own panel. So please do, if you would. That is very welcome and appreciated. And unfortunately, I have some bad news to share with you all. All the other plushies got lost in the luggage in the airport. So unfortunately, it's going to be a little bit of a downer. Maybe not a great show. We might have to end 15 minutes early. If only there was some kind of hearth-warming miracle that could happen to make everything better. It's Santa! It's a real Santa! Holy crap! Present for me? Oh my goodness! It's me, Twilight! It's Princess Texmexia!
Oh no! And she popped back into existence!
Who else is that? Oh, it's the other one too! Oh my goodness, this is going to be a great show! Hang tight. Okay. And, yeah, just stay there and watch Santa. All right, we're going to start off with a favorite story of mine because I'm in it. It's called, or actually, it's Gift of the Mad God, but with pony plushies. Hi, I'm Twilight Sparkle. I love my Crocs. Crocs are probably the best footwear, and they're so stylish and comfy and very, very cool. And anyone that wears them is probably really cool and such a great person. They might be a little nerdy, a little weird, but they're so me. They're so practical. Hi, I'm Rarity, and I despise your footwear, Twilight. I don't care. But you do know a lot about fashion, Rarity. You're so beautiful and pretty. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's kind of my thing, you know. Oh, it's hearthwarming. Let's do a gift exchange for each other. Okay. Yeah, that sounds like fun. Oh, I know the perfect gift to get you, Twilight. Oh, I think I know the perfect gift to get you too. Yay. I'm sorry. What's the perfect gift to give to a pony who really loves her Crocs? Oh, I know. No, she only has the 4 hooves. She can't wear more than 4 Crocs. But she can put Croc charms on her Crocs. Oh, she can accessorize. Maybe that covering up as much of the surface area of that shoe to me as well. I'm sure I know some pony that has Croc accessories. Howdy. Howdy, I'm Applejack. Hello, darling. I was wondering if you had any Croc gibbets that I could have to. Oh wait. Crap, I got this one. Oh crap, I got like
Bye, Applejack.
Applejack will return.
Yay!
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, hello. Twilight's cousin or something. Do you have any Croc gibbets? Oh yeah, I have Croc gibbets because I am a Twilight and I love Crocs too. But unfortunately, okay. All right. I mixed up those random. All right. Yeah, let me, I'd love some I have some Croc gibbets that I can give you, but what I really wish is to be beautiful. Oh, but darling, you're beautiful as you are. Come on, Mary, come on. Oh, okay, I know just the thing. It's tough to part with, but I have my secret to my beauty, is my beauty cream. I can give it to you, and you can be beautiful that way. Oh, that would be wonderful. If you give me your beauty cream, I'll give you, you have to apply it every millisecond or else it stops working. Here you go. Here's my beauty cream. Oh. Wow, I can't wait to try this and become beautiful. Here are the Croc gibbets. I will take these. This will be a perfect gift for Twilight, even though I'm not as beautiful now. What's the perfect gift to give Rarity? She's so beautiful. She should be able to appreciate her own. Now Applejack is here. Hi, I'm Applejack, and I'm here again. Applejack, I need to find a gift for Rarity. Oh, I have the perfect thing. She loves looking at herself so much. I got this big mirror for her to like look at herself and stuff. But she can, that would be the perfect gift for her, but even though I'm your friend, for some reason I need you to give me something in exchange for it. Oh, okay. What's the perfect gift for, or what thing would Applejack appreciate that any pony would appreciate, the practical and very utilitarian footwear? Oh, how about those wonderful Crocs, Twilight? These Crocs? But I love my Crocs. That's really tough, but I love Rarity more. She's an amazing friend, and I really want to make her Hearthwarming special. So here, you can have her Crocs, or you can have my Crocs, and I'll take them here. Okay. Darn tootin', thanks, Twilight. Now I'm woefully Crocless, but I have them here. Yay! Twilight, darling. Rarity, hi. She's hiding it behind her. Let's exchange gifts now. Okay. Here, I got you these Croc gibbets. But wait, where are your Crocs? I gave them away so that I could get you this big mirror. I don't want to look in this big mirror because I'm ugly now. How tragic. and but we're still happy because we're good friends and stuff. And the moral of the story is that friendship is better than footwear and beauty.
We got Santa. Santa's standing.
Thank you for your patience. We're ready to start the next Hearthwarming tale now. This one's a classic that's been done like 1,000,000 times. It's yay! I'm raising a barn. I'm working really hard on raising a barn and stuff. Hi, Applejack. Oh, hi, Lyra. I'm just taking a little break. That's a nice barn you have there, Applejack. It'd be a shame if something happened to it. Wait, no, Lyra. No, don't. That darned troublemaker, Lyra. I hope she learns a lesson or two in being proper, not being so rude. I will never learn. I'm a little troublemaker. I'm gonna go to bed now. Lyra, wake up, wake up, wake up! Whoa. Hi, I'm Santa Twilight, and I have a message for you. Tonight, you will be visited by 3 spirits, and they'll make you change your ways, and you'll learn a very important lesson about being a jerk, especially in Hearthwarming Christmas. Yeah. Whoa, that was whack. All right, I'm gonna go back to sleep now. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Whoa. Who are you? Hi, I'm the ghost of Christmas Fast. Whoa, what do all right, I have a very important lesson to teach you. So you gotta listen carefully, okay? That was too fast, I couldn't understand it. That's just how I roll, baby. That's just, wow. That was crazy. I'm gonna go to sleep again. Hello, 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 whoa. Who are you? Hi, I'm Pinkie Pie. I'm the ghost of Christmas presents. Didn't they already make that joke in the show? Yeah. All right, and the lesson that I'm going to teach to you is to be nice and give presents, and to teach you that I'm going to give you this cupcake thing here. Whoa, that's cool. Is it oats? Yeah, it's oats. Yeah. Oh, I love oats. Oh. Wow, this is a pretty cool lesson. Thanks. Yeah, no problem. My work here is done. Oh man, I got a full belly after eating that cupcake thing. I'm gonna fall asleep again. Hey, wake up. Oh, okay. I'm the ghost of Christmas future, here to tell you a bunch of cool facts about the future. Did you know that in the future, will be like, cars will go really fast and they'll even like fly and stuff. Wow, that's really cool. What's a car also? That's another future thing, you'll see. But, the basically it's just like the future is going to be really cool. And like space and stuff, you know, space. You ever think about that? Yeah. So the lesson here is that the future is cool or something. Cool. All right. Wow, what a crazy night. I'm really tired because I kept on getting woken up. But I'm good, so I'm going to fall asleep one more time. It's Christmas! It's Christmas! Wake up! It's Christmas! Santa came! Santa came! Look, he's right over there! Santa came! Whoa! It's Santa! Yeah, Santa came. Anyway, what did you learn from your What did you learn from all these ghost visits? Well, I learned to go really fast, that if I blow up people's houses, then I'll get free cupcakes. I learned that the future is probably cool. Wow. I don't think that, I think I need to talk to my ghost. I don't think that. But yeah, good job. You're just, don't do it again. No promises. All right, we're just about ready for the next one. But we're just getting, we need to get a few more Twilights ready. Because this next one it's all about Twilight plushies. Oh, really? Twilight plushies are the best. Yeah, but how can we have more than 2 characters in a puppet show? Well, hey guys, I heard you talking. Whoa, do you see that? It's Right Foot Twilight. Yep, that's me, and I brought a friend too. Yay! All right, this next one I call the Island of Misfit Twies.
Hi, Twilight.
Woe is me, to be a Twilight on the Island of Misfit Twies. I'm not like the other Twilights. You see, I'm a bit too floppy to be like all the other ones. Maybe one day I'll find a place where I belong. Maybe I'll find a brony that will really care for me. I'm another Twilight on the Island of Misfit Twies. You see, I was made just a little bit too squumpy. So I'm stuck here with the other Twilights that never found a proper home. I'm here too. I'm not a Twilight, but I'm too problematic, so they sent me here. Hello, Twilights. Whoa, it's Santa Twilight. Oh, and the non-Philly. Whoa, it's Santa Twilight. I know you're all struggling, but maybe if we can get Santa's attention, then he can help find a place for all of you. All right, I'll try to get Santa's attention by flopping around a bunch. Santa! Santa! Over here! It worked. It kind of worked. It's Squumpy Twilight. Do something squumpy. Squump. Hey, Santa. Squump. Anon Philly, you need to do your one thing. Wait, I think it's working. He's gonna do something. He's coming.
What seems to be the problem here?
Santa. We're all misfit Twilights. We need a place to call home.
Sure. Yeah, why not? I'll see the problem. So
Okay. All right, that's it, I guess.
It's a miracle.
Let's get a round of applause for our Santa. He probably could do a little bit more than just sitting in the corner, but that's okay. He's got a big Christmas in front of him, so he's got to rest up, I guess, and get ready. Oh yeah, let me introduce the next one. This next one is Frosty the Snowmare. I'm actually in this one, so I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna build a snowmare. Yay! I think I'll name her Frosty. Frosty Flakes.
Yeah.
Wow, this snowmare is so lifelike. It's incredible. I wonder what to do next. Oh. Buenos dias, Twilight. Oh, it's Texmexia. Tengo un regalo para ti. Te doy mi burro de magia porque, ¿por qué no? Bueno, tengo un buen día. I didn't understand any of that, but this hat is really cool. I think it would fit perfectly on this snow mare. Whoa! The magic has imbued into my body already. I don't need to have it anymore. I'm alive! Whoa, you're alive! Wow, this is incredible. Happy birthday! Yeah, is this what life is like? Yeah, so what do I do in life? Oh, I don't know, you just like hang out and have a good time and stuff, you know? Cool, that sounds fun. I'm gonna go hang out and have a good time and stuff.
Hooray!
Whoa, is that a fish? I'm gonna eat the fish. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, more fish. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, I'm gonna eat all the fish. Yum, 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 yum. Oh no, she's eating too many fish. Yum, 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 yum. Wow, this is maybe life comes with consequences and stuff. Yummy fish. I ate all of the fish. There's no fish left. Frosty, you've destroyed the ecosystem, the economy, and the job market. What have you done? Yummy fish. Hola, Twilight. Twilight, ¿por qué dejaste a Frosty de comer todos los pescados? What are you saying? Es malo. Oh, all right. Frosty, you have to stop eating all the fish. Okay, I have to stop because there are no fish left to eat. Okay, wow. Maybe we created a monster. I don't know, whatever. Maybe it's an analogy for AI or something.
Thanks, Twilight. Yay!
And unfortunately, it ended up a lot shorter than expected. We'll still be here hanging out if you want to come and see any of the plushies, or you can maybe do some impromptu stuff or something. I don't know. But let's wrap it up. All right. Wait. Hold on, Twilight. Stop everything. What, Lyra? What's going on? you're not here to ruin the show, are you? Well, you see, I saw this very interesting documentary the other day that said if you kill Santa Claus, it's Tim Allen's The Santa Claus. If you kill Santa Claus, you gain his powers. What? No, Lyra, don't kill Santa. Oh. Everyone charge!
Oh! Yay!
Yes.
Is Lyra Santa now?
Wait a sec. Does it work with Celestia too? Oh no! Ay caramba! Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a happy Hearthwarming. Bye!
I'm so glad we stayed for the death of Santa.
Sorry, it ended up a lot shorter than the full hour. I hope you guys had fun.
We went to a really fun, plushie panel.
Yeah.
Phauxe is awesome and got us, sandwiches, because I never even ate breakfast.
I know. I wolfed on a sandwich early this morning, but yeah, we had.
At least you were smart.
Yeah.
I just did not. And then I keep thinking we're late, and then we're not late, and then we just sit around, but I'm like, I don't want to leave.
Yeah, so I'm like, I'm going to go grab us some food because we got a little bit of time. So.
I think I left the, plushie panel early. I think people took some pictures of all the plushies laid out before. So it was really, I saw them on the Discord, but I think everybody's having a lot of fun.
Yes, so my name is Will Stansel. This is Mare. And I got her because she's hot and yeah, most are hot. That's the whole story.
But all plushies are equal. I just wanted to showcase Minty because she has been my childhood favorite for very, very many years. I didn't really have a lot of My Little Pony merch growing up, so it's really amazing now to have that opportunity to collect more of what I love. And this is my first My Little Pony plushie, courtesy of my amazing boyfriend over there, David. And yeah, thanks. I just wanted to show Minty. Thank you all for listening, and I hope you guys enjoy the con.
You know what? I might go around and grab that. So they added and of course
It's like 2 minutes.
yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go run and grab that and be back. Hey, group back. They have. Yeah. I thought you. No. Lunar.
Their contribution.
Yo, let's take out.
Yeah, Krystal's off in the other panel room. I just stuck back in here for a second. So.
This is Sky Arrow. So this kind of goes along with just my OC in general. At the very beginning, when I joined the fandom around 2017, I was like, I want to get a plush of my character once I create it. And so about 2 years later, forgive me, I didn't do the due diligence. I don't remember the name of the plush maker, but I got this made in 2019, and it kind of just symbolizes me. Whenever I take pictures, I always try to have them in there when we go into a place, and just to show people, hey, I've been here, show this guy there, I'm there, and just go on every adventure. That's pretty much all I gotta say.
I'm Crimson Macro. I commissioned this Starlight Glimmer plushie at the final BronyCon 2019. And then I got in person. And then I got her, I think 2 months later, shortly before the final episodes of G4, which was good timing because I had a party with a local bowling group for the celebration of the G4 finale. So I was able to bring this plushie to the party.
How many people of you know where this character comes from? How many people don't? Alright, just to bring you all up to speed, this is Tom from a game called Them Playing. And the game started out as a My Little Pony fan game that featured fighting. Think about Ryu, think about Ken, it's like that with ponies. Well, eventually Hasbro got around to cease and desisting it because they didn't want characters from a show centered about friendship being friends. So Lawrence Foss stepped in, gave us some new characters, one of them was Tom, and thus she was born. The game came out in 2018, early access. Supposedly there's going to be a story mode. A lot of people put money into it. Story mode never fully materialized. Came out during the pandemic, that's when it drew in a ton of fans. Game languished, game died, maybe revitalized because it got bought again and again. The reason I got this partially was because I got stuck into the game in 2018 and sat in my Steam library until the pandemic. Pandemic happened, a lot of people got into the game because people were doing their online tournament, which got canceled because of stuff. Anyway, I wasn't spending money on travel for the long term. I decided to seek out this plush. By the time I ordered the plush, I had racked up 1,000 hours on the game, probably about 900 of them getting my ass beat. So anyway, long story short, I dropped the game, did not drop my love for this character. He was made by a nice Chilean named Raleigh Shop, and since he's come out, a couple of other people have ordered similar plushies. And lastly, I've taken this one around. We've been to Evergreen Northwest, in Seattle City area, in Vancouver, in Las Vegas, and now here in Michigan. Thank you very much for hearing my TED Talk, and I wish you a wonderful day.
People stuff. I actually made so I have 56 celestials, and all of them I made. And of course, everyone's goal is to have an illustrator. Well, this is Celestia we're talking about. She can't be your standard lesson. She really has to be life-size. She's made from fleece. She's very floppy. She's very floppy, and that's done on purpose, just so that she can fold up for travel. And she's quite the character, as you can see. She didn't get much sleep last night. Also, I should mention, she has weighted hooves. And normally in plushie, weighted hooves, beads or like marbles. She has legitimate rocks. Rocks. Why rocks? Because they're technically cheaper than the polypods. It's the same weight as a hollow, cheaper than polypods. So she's full of rocks. Yeah. 62 inches from hoof to hoof, has a 73-inch wingspan. And of course, it says it's gonna go big and go home. And I'm gonna do something crazy. So who wants to try to catch those two? Oh my god. Who wants to be so no one wants to. Nobody wants to see Cecily go to the castle. Yes, no, castle. You want to catch me? Alright. Just to wrap up this presentation. We are gonna polish. One, and two, and let's polish. Everyone hold her, see how happy she is? No? Alright. I guess. Anyone else want to present? Anyone want to go? That's it. Thank you for attending Plushie Show Tell.
It's a heartwarming miracle!
Oh wait, what tail feather did you say it was?
African gray.
African gray tail feather.
Yeah, it's
Actual
our actual
foil.
pet baby bird. Well, he's not a baby, he's an old man. He's always a baby because he's a pet.
I'm so happy! I sent him on a mission.
Yeah, it turns out good.
Yay!
Alright, and then a card.
Oh, you got a few of them. There are videos.
Usually this one is missing a
Oh, well, I'm glad we got one.
Good for us.
Well, I'm glad we came back in, you know?
Yeah, me too. Thanks so much for watching Phauxe and Krystal's Vlogmas 2025. Stay tuned for more adventures in New York and back home. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care and talk to you soon. Bye guys.